Principal sir, Vice Principal ma'am, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, all my dear friends. Wonderful good morning to you all. It's me Bikash Tamang, student of grade 5, standing in front to deliver a short speech about life. Life. If you don't discipline when school or college, you pay heavy price in later part of life. Discipline like coming up in proper way, okay, talking properly, respecting people properly, communication properly, this really helps a long way in your life. So I don't want to show me like a potato regulating on your race. You should remember that to successful in life there is no shortcut. The only method is hard work and still and that you have to do it. You work hard, you make money, you do it yourself. That's not life. You go out, seek for people who need help, you make their life better, you become that sponge which can absorb all the negativity and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. When you realize you have changed someone's life because of you, that person didn't give up, that is the day of God life. Thank you, have a success and a happy life.